Take a little bit of time, and we want to release the week that we've had. We want to even release the morning that we've had. And we want to move into a place of meditation. Meditation is so important because it's really like a spiritual reset. It's the ability to release everything that has gone on and to reset and be prepared to receive whatever Spirit would have for us today. Because I can guarantee you, if we come wanting something, we will receive it. Because we cannot be stopped, and we are very prosperous. So right now, I would just ask you to just settle into your chair and feel the chair kind of being there with you, supporting you, holding you up. Feel your feet connected to Mother Earth, to the ground. And if you are able, maybe even open your hands in a posture of receiving or releasing. And what I like to do as I begin to move into that place of meditation, I begin to picture all of those things that I have dealt with over the week or even this morning, and I picture them leaving my body. I picture them either exiting through my hands and going off into the abyss or moving into the earth in which my feet are grounded to. And so we do want to just take this opportunity, if you can soften your gaze or even close your eyes, and let's enter into this sacred space of silence together. And as we begin to come back out of this sacred time of rejuvenation, of restoration, of reset, I would just like you to take a moment and feel the energy in this room. Feel the energy of all of those that have joined us online, and feel the love that surrounds each and every one of us. We are in a safe place. We are in a place of love and compassion. We are in a place of community. What a sacred place to be in. And so as you come back, begin to feel your feet touching the floor and your body touching the chair, and bring your gaze back and become present. Become present in this sacred space that we are in here this morning. And with gratitude, we thank the universe for the opportunity and the ability to set in this sacred time. And so it is.